to the third installment of the sex cocktail series. Last week I showed you how to make a sex on the beach and a sex in the dunes. Tonight I'm showing you how to make a sex in the woods. Now I'll admit I've never made this cocktail before. Why? Well, I'm a little bit dubious about the flavour combination. This particular cocktail, the sex in the woods, calls for pineapple juice, amaretto, Kahlua and vodka. Does sound a little bit crazy, I know, but we're going to give it a crack tonight. Alright, so before I start making this cocktail in my shaker, the first thing I want to do is I want to decorate my glass. So I'm going to pour a little bit of sugar syrup, simple sugar syrup, in a little bowl like this. Next I'm going to get my chocolate sprinkles and pour them in my other bowl. And then I'm going to get my glass, we'll dip that into the sugar syrup. Quite easy to do, as you can see. And now I'm going to add my sprinkles to the glass. And voila! Beautiful chocolate rimmed or sprinkle rimmed glass. Excellent for decoration. Now we're going to start making our cocktail. So you'll need a shaker filled with ice. We're going to add 1 shot of vodka. We're going to add half a shot of Kahlua. Ooh, that was a bit clumsy. Next I'm going to add half a shot of amaretto. And now 5 shots of pineapple juice. It's very full. Now we're going to put the lid on. And we're going to shake. I'm now going to add some ice to the glass. In terms of a garnish, I don't actually have any fresh pineapple today, so I'm just using a dried pineapple ring, and I'm just going to pop that in there like that. And voila, we are done. This is a sex in the woods. Cheers. This is the moment of truth. Actually, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. There is an overwhelming taste of amaretto, and I'm not a huge fan of that. But aside from that, it's not horrendous, but it's certainly not as good as the sex in the dunes or the sex on the beach. I probably wouldn't be drinking 5 or 6 of these, and it certainly wouldn't lead me to making any questionable decisions in the woods. This is something that doesn't float my boat. However, if you like amaretto, I think you would really enjoy this drink. Alright guys, so that brings me to the end of the Sex in the Woods episode today. I'll catch you on Friday for another sex cocktail. See you then. Ciao!